How to log into Walmart Courier's account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in couriers.walmart.com and then search for it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, at the top left corner, you're gonna find 3 bars. Click on that. Then navigate to the option of login. Now over here, you're gonna find different sections as supply chain, corporate, Sam's Club, and Walmart stores. Head towards the section that you want to log in for. Under those sections, you're going to find different options whether you want to log in for hourly, management, or transportation drivers. First up, select your section and then select the topic. So I'm going to select Sam's Club and the management. Now at the top right, you will see the option of sign in. Click on that. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. Type in your email address and type in the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you provide all the details, click on sign in, and just with that, you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Walmart Courier's account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.